Welcome all of you in online classes. Today discuss about BSc first year syllabus, the intersection of three planes. In this article, consider three planes. You know that if two planes intersecting to each other, then structure of a line, that is called intersection line. Similarly, if intersection of three planes, then form a line, a bridge, also a point. So how are conditions? And write the all conditions when making intersection line, making a point and a triangular bridge. Then here consider three plane equations. Are first are u1 is your plane first one, so is denoted by u1 a1x b1y c1z plus d1 is equal to 0. Similarly, you can take in others two planes. Suppose that u2 is equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0 is second plane, and third plane is denoted by u3. Here you can write u3 same as u1 and u2. So u3 is a3x b3y c3z plus d3 is equal to 0, where ai subscript I is equal to 1, 2, 3 are constants, real constant are real constants. So in this equation first, second and third, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 and d1, d2, d3 are real constants in the plane equation. So first write the value of capital D, which making by coefficient of x, y, z and constants. So then capital D is equal to a1, b1, c1 and d1, a2, b2, c2, d2, a3, b3, c3 and d3. After this, calculate the value of delta 4, delta 3, delta 2, delta 1. Then delta 4 is equal to, here taking 4 subscript, so in capital D eliminate to fourth column and remain right in the determinant for a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 is determinant. After removed to fourth column from capital D, so a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3, a1, a2, c, this is, and similarly you can find to the value of delta 4, delta 3 determinant of removed to third column c1, c2, c3. So first write a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. Here third column is c1, c2, c3. So in the delta 3 removed column third means c1, c2, c3 and remain is d1, d2, d3 is third column. So is delta 3 is equal to a1, b1, d1, a2, b2, d2, a3, b3, d3. Same process containing and write delta 2 is equal to a1, a2, a3 and c1, c2, c3, d1, d2, d3. Delta 2 means removed to second column. First column is A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3. Third column is C1, C2, C3 here, which is second column, C1, C2, C3, and last D1, D2, D3, last D1, D2, D3. And delta 4, delta 3, delta 2, at last delta 1. So for delta 1, process will be same as, and write delta 1 is equal to determinant after removed to first column means B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, D1, D2, D3 is delta 1. So delta 4, delta 3, delta 2 and delta 1. Here capital D is coefficient of x, y, z and constant from given planes equation. So after D you can find the value of delta 3, delta 3, delta 4, delta 3, delta 2 and delta 1. After this, write the process for which you can decide intersection of three planes, plane first, second and third, or triangular prism, intersecting line or a point. So process here write first. First calculate to the value, find to the value of delta 4. Delta 4. If delta 4 if delta 4 is not equal to 0, then intersection of given three planes means plane first, second and third is a point, whose coordinates are x is equal to minus delta 1 by delta 4 and y is equal to minus delta 2 by delta 4. At last z is equal to minus delta 3 by delta 4. This is coordinates of the point, intersecting point. So if delta 4 is not equal to 0, then intersection of given three planes, plane first, second and third, here represent to plane third, is a point and coordinate of the intersecting point. Find by this rule, x is equal to minus delta 1 by delta 4, y is equal to plus delta 2 by delta 4 and at last quadrant z is equal to minus delta 3 by delta 4. This is first step. So if given three equations of the plane, first calculate the value of delta 4. After then, if delta 4 is not equal to 0, so intersection is complete. But if delta 4 is equal to 0, then so here in the second condition, if delta 4 is equal to 0, then find the value of delta 3, delta 2 and delta 1. So if delta 4, delta 3 and delta 1 delta 4 is equal to 0, then calculate the value of delta 3, delta 2 and delta 4, which are represented here delta 3, delta 2 and delta 1. So in this case, arising to subcases, first, if these three are delta 3, delta 2 and delta 1 are is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. Suppose that case first, if delta 3 not equal to 0, delta 1 not delta 2 not equal to 0 or delta 1 is not equal to 0. This is first subcase of second. If delta 3, delta 2 and delta 1 suppose that not equal to 0, then intersection of given three planes is a triangular prism, So in this case, if delta 3, delta 2 or delta 1 is not equal to 0, but delta 4 is equal to 0, then intersection of given three planes is a triangular prism. And write second subcase. In this case, if delta 3 is equal to 0, delta 2 is equal to 0 and delta 1 is also equal to 0, then intersection of given three planes, is a line, means intersecting line. So here first calculate to the value of delta 4. If delta 4 is not equal to 0, then intersection will be a point, and whose coordinates you can calculate by this formula. X is equal to minus delta 1 by delta 4, y is equal to delta 2 by delta 4 and z is equal to minus delta 3 by delta 4. And suppose that delta 4 is equal to 0, then you must be calculate the value of delta 3, delta 2, delta 1. In this case, there arising two cases. Suppose that these are not equal to 0, means delta 3 is not equal to 0, delta 2 is not equal to 0 and delta 1 is not equal to 0. Then intersection will be a triangular prism. And in the case second, suppose that all these are equal to 0, then intersection is a line, that is called intersecting line. So after this theory, please taken some questions which are related on this article, intersection of three planes. So write question first. In the first question, find the nature of intersection of following planes. Here given two sets of the planes, x minus 2y plus 2z is equal to 3 is first plane of the first set, 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5 second plane of the first set, and last 3x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 10. So therefore is represented to first set of the intersecting plane, first, second and third, and is represented second set of the intersecting plane, 2x plus 4y 2z is equal to 7, 5x, y minus z is equal to 9, x minus y minus z is equal to 6. So here write the solution of first case. Given equations of the planes or x minus 2y plus 2z. Here is equal to 3. So write minus 3 is equal to 0 is first equation. Second is 2x plus 3y minus z minus 5 is equal to 0 is second. And third is 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 10 is equal to 0 is third. So in the first set given 3 planes equation, and these planes are intersecting to each other. First equation is x minus 2y plus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. Second plane equation is 2x 3y minus z minus 5 is equal to 0. And third intersecting plane equation is 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 10 is equal to 0. So according by rules which you learn and discussed in the first article, intersection of 3 planes. So first calculate the value of capital D, then the value of capital D is equal to coefficient of x is 1, y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 2 and D1 is equal to minus 3. So A1, B1, C1 and D1. Coefficient of x is equal to 1, coefficient of y is equal to B1 minus 2 and coefficient of z is equal to C1 is equal to 2 and constant D1 is equal to minus 3. Similarly, for second plane, A2, B2, C2 and D2. Coefficient of x is A2 means 2 and coefficient of y is equal to 3 and coefficient of z is equal to minus 1 and minus 5. At last, x coefficient 3, y minus 4 and z is equal to 5 and 10 minus 10. So capital D values are A1, B1, C1, D1, A2, B2, C2, D2, A3, B3, C3 and 3 and D3. So here the coefficient of x, y, z and constant are denoted to the small a, b, c. After this, calculate the value of delta 4. Delta 4 is equal to A1, B1 and C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Here A1, B1, C1, D1, A2, B2, C2, D2, A3, B3, C3, D3. So A1 is equal to 1, 1 minus 2 and 2, 2, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 4, 5. Also you can understand here delta 4, so remove to third column and write only remaining column, first, second and third. So first, second and third. So is delta 4. Calculate the determinant of delta 4 by rules of determinants. So is equal to 1 times in bracket remove to first row and first column 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 minus plus and again minus, so 1 and 4 is equal to 4. Minus 2 write plus 2 by rules of determinant. Eliminate to first row and first column, 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 and after this negative of 3 into minus 1 means write plus 3. At last to third row, eliminate to first row and third column, so it's 2 plus 2 in bracket 2 multiplied by 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 8 and minus 8 minus time 3 into 3 is equal to 9 minus 9. 2 into 4 minus 8 minus 3 into 3 minus 9. Simplification to this bracket and is equal to, write 1 in bracket, 15 minus 4 is equal to 11, minus is a plus 2. Here 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. At last plus 2 and multiply with minus 17 is equal to 11 plus 26, 11 plus 26 minus 34. So simplification to this and adding 11 plus 26 is equal to 617 and 213 minus 34 is equal to 3. 3 is not equal to 0. 3 is not equal to 0. So in this first case, when delta 4 is not equal to 0, then intersection of three planes first, second and third must be a point whose coordinates you can calculate by applying the article first formula, x is equal to, y equal to and z is equal to. So after this, the value of delta 4 you can write intersection of three given planes, is a point whose coordinates are x is equal to minus delta 1 by delta 4, y is equal to delta 2 by delta 4, and at last z is equal to minus delta 3 by delta 4. Delta 4 is represented by equation 4th. So in equation 4th, the value of delta 4 is equal to 3, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, intersection of given three planes is a point whose coordinates are x is equal to this, y is equal to this and z is equal to this. So calculate the coordinates of intersecting point, and for this calculate the value of delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. So here calculate the value of delta 1. Delta 1, you know that what is delta 1. Delta 1 is remove to first column and write other three columns, means minus 2, 2, minus 3, minus 2, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, minus 5. At last 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 1 minus 5 minus 2, 2 minus 3, at last is minus 4, 5 minus 10. Minus 4, 5 minus 10. Minus 4, 5 minus 10. Calculate the determinant of this, means delta 4 is minus 2 in bracket, eliminate to first column and first row, minus minus plus 10 and minus plus 25, minus 2 in bracket, 3 into 10 minus 30 and minus plus again minus and 20, minus 20, minus 20. At last, third quadrant, minus 3, eliminate to this, and inside 15, 15, and minus minus plus, so again minus is 4. Simplification to this brackets, minus 2, and write 10 plus 25 is equal to 35, and minus minus plus 2 in bracket write 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. At last minus 3 and is 11 into 11. So 35 multiplied with 2 is equal to 17, 70 minus 70 and is 100, 100 and is equal to minus 33. 100 minus 70 is equal to 30 plus 30. So plus 30 minus 33 is equal to minus 3. The value of delta 1 is represented by equation 5th, and delta 2 is equal to, here delta 2 write by eliminate to second column 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and 2 minus 1 5, 2 minus 1 5, 2 minus 1 5, minus 3 minus 5 minus 10, minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5 minus 10. Here delta 2 write from the capital D by eliminating to second column, here minus 2 3 minus 4. Write first column same as, after then second third column 2 minus 1 5, at last third column minus 3 5 minus 10. So calculate determinant of this is equal to 1, and minus plus 10 and minus plus 25 minus 2 in bracket, minus 2 eliminate, write minus 20, minus 20 minus plus 15, 15, at last minus 3, minus 3 multiply by 10, 10 minus minus plus, so 3 is equal to 10 plus 20 35, and minus 2 into minus 5 and minus 3 into 13 is equal to 35 minus plus 10 minus 39 is equal to 35 and 39 subtracting from each other is equal to 4, 4 minus 4, and plus 10 is equal to plus 6. So it is represented by equation 6. Delta 2, at last delta 3, delta 3 is equal to, by eliminating third column means minus, 2 minus 1 5, this is third column. So first write 1 2 3, 1 2 3, second minus 2 3 minus 4 minus 2 3 minus 2 3 minus 4, at last eliminate to third column. So third column is 2 minus 1 5, write minus 3 minus 5 minus 10, minus 3 minus 5 minus 10 is equal to 1 in bracket 30 minus 30 minus plus minus 20 minus plus, and eliminate to minus 20 minus minus plus 15, at last minus 3 and multiply -8 -9 is equal to -50 and is equal to 15 -5 to the 10 -10 and minus plus and 3 into 17 is equal to -15 -60 plus 51 is equal to minus time 9 is represented by equation 6. So from equation 4, 5th, 6th and 7, putting all values of delta 4, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, write the intersecting point coordinates, means small x, y and z. Then intersecting point coordinates are x is equal to minus delta 1 by delta 4. Delta 1 is equal to from equation 5th -3. So here write +3 by delta 4 is equal to 3 cancel from each other is equal to 1, and y is equal to delta 2 by delta 4. Delta 2 is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2, and at last z is equal to minus delta 3 by delta 4. Minus delta 3 is equal to minus 9. So here write minus plus 9 by 3 is equal to 3. These are coordinates of intersecting points. So please discuss again in briefly. Here given equation of 3 intersecting planes, first, second and third, is right in the equations form: first equation, second equation and third equation. After this, calculate the value of d: a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3, d1, d2, d1, d2, d3. Coefficient of x, y, z are called, you know that, a1, a, b, c, and constant is denoted by small d. So putting the all values of d, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, etc. from the equations first, second and third. With help of this, you can find the value of delta 4. Delta 4 is eliminating by 4th column, and remain columns means first, second and third. First, second and third. After determinant, its value is equal to, after calculating, is equal to 3. 3 is not equal to 0. Therefore, applying to first condition of intersection of the planes in read article first. So according by rules, intersection of given 3 planes is a point whose coordinates denoted by this formula: x is equal to minus delta 1 by delta 4, y is equal to delta 2 minus delta 4, and z is equal to minus delta 3 by delta 4. For this, calculate the value of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Delta 1, eliminate first column. So first, second, third taken in determinant form is called delta 1. Similarly, you can find the value of delta 2, delta 3. So delta 1 is equal to minus 3, delta 2 is equal to 6, delta 3 is equal to minus 9. Putting these values in the quadrant form, then intersecting coordinates point is this. This is complete solution of the first part of the question first. So find the nature of intersection. For first is a point, intersecting point, whose coordinate denoted by x, y and z. After this, taken second sets of intersecting planes, a 2x plus 4y, 2z is equal to 7, 5x, y minus z is equal to 9, x minus y minus z is equal to 6. For this, write the value of capital D and first calculate delta 4. After then you can discuss what will be intersecting of given three planes, bridge, intersecting line or a point. So please first write to the equations, given equations. In the given secant set of the intersecting plane, given equations of the plane are 2x plus 4y plus 2z minus 7 is equal to 0 is first equation, and the second equation represented to the second plane equation 5xy minus z minus 9 is equal to 0, second plane equation. At last third is x minus y minus z minus 6 is equal to 0, third plane equation. So according by rules of the article, first calculate the value of capital D is equal to A1, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, D1, D2, D3. Putting the all values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, etc. So is equal to coefficient of x is denoted by A1, 2, coefficient of y is denoted by B1, 4, coefficient of z is denoted by C1, 2, and last point is D1, so minus 7. Similarly, for second plane, 5, 1, minus 1 and minus 9, and 1, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 6. So is the value of capital D. With help of this, first calculate the value of capital D. You note that in the intersecting plane article, first calculate the value of delta 4. Delta 4 from delta by eliminating to the fourth column. So delta 4 is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Means eliminate to the fourth column D1, D2, D1, D2, D3 is called delta 4. Putting the all values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 from this. So is 2, 4, 2, 5, 1, minus 1 and 1, minus 1, minus 1. 2, 4, 2, 5, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. Calculate this determinant by rules of determinant is equal to 2 in bracket 1 into 1 minus 1 and minus plus again minus 1 minus 4 minus 4 and 5 into minus 5 minus minus plus 1 at last plus 2 5 minus 5 minus and minus plus 1 at last 2 5 into minus 1 minus 5 and minus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 means minus 4 and minus 4 minus 4 plus 16 at last 2 minus 6 plus 2 plus 12 minus 12 minus 12 minus 6 into 2 is equal to minus 12 is equal to 12 plus 4 16 minus 16 plus 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So in this case the value of delta 4 is equal to 0, means you cannot here decide that intersecting of the given planes is triangular bridge, common line or but it's clear that intersection of given three lines is not a point, because condition for the point delta 4 is not equal to 0, but here delta 4 is equal to 0. So it's clear that first condition is not applied here, means intersection of given three planes is not a point. After then, intersection of these three planes will be a triangular prism or a common line. For this, calculate the value of delta 3, delta 2, delta 1. So, after this, calculate the value of delta 3. Delta 3 by rules is 251, 251, 41, 41, minus 1, and last. Here eliminate to third column. Last is minus 7, minus 9, minus 7, minus 9, and minus 6 is equal to 2 in bracket, multiply by this is equal to minus 6, and minus plus, and minus plus again multiply by minus is equal to minus 9, minus 9 plus minus 4 in bracket, multiply by 6 minus 30, minus 30, and minus plus 9, plus 9, at last minus 7, multiply by minus 5, minus 5, and minus 1, minus 5, minus 1 is equal to, here minus 6 and minus 9 is equal to minus 15, so minus 30, and minus 4 into minus 30 and 9 is equal to minus 4 into 21. At last here taken minus and plus 7 into 6, so is equal to minus 30, and multiply 21 is equal to minus 30 and minus 84 plus 42 is equal to, adding to this is equal to minus 34, minus 4 and 11 plus 42 is equal to minus 42 is equal to 2 and 11 4 is equal to 7, which is not equal to 0. So it is clear that the value of delta 3 is not equal to 0. Similarly, you can prove that in this case delta 2 and delta 1 also is not equal to 0. So similarly, delta 2 is not equal to 0 and delta 1 is also not equal to 0. Therefore, according by rule of intersecting of given three planes, if delta 4 is equal to 0, then each case first delta 3 is not equal to 0, or delta 2 is not equal to 0, or delta 1 is not equal to 0. Then intersection will be a triangular prism. So therefore, intersection of given three planes is a triangular prism. Is complete solution of the second point, question first. In this given three equations of plane, intersecting plane, so for this first calculate the value of capital D, after then first calculate the value of delta 4. If delta 4 is equal to 0, then there arising two subcases. In first case, delta 3, delta 2 or delta 1 is not equal to 0, then intersecting of the given planes is a triangular prism. And second subcase is, suppose that delta 3, delta 2 and delta 1 is equal to 0, then according by rule, intersecting of given three planes is a common line. So here in first case, intersecting of the given planes is a point, and in the second, intersecting of given planes is a triangular prism. After this, please take another question which are related on this article, intersection of three planes. In this question, find the shortest distance, briefly denoted by SD, between given two planes is equation first of the plane, given two lines is equation of the first line is equation of the second line. Also calculate the equation of shortest distance line which draw between these two lines, and coordinates of intersecting means intersecting point of the shortest distance with first line and shortest distance with second line. You know that shortest distance is a distance between two lines, given lines, such that these lines making 90 degrees means angle between shortest distance and first line is 90 degree, and angle between shortest distance and second line is also 90 degree. So is the definition of shortest distance between two lines. Write solution given two lines equation or first line equation is x minus 3 by 3 y minus 8 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 1 is first line, and second line is x plus 3 by minus 3 y plus 7 by 2 and z minus 6 by 4 is second line equation. In this question given two lines, first and second, aim is find the shortest distance between these. So please draw figure. Suppose that is line first and is line second. These lines are not in coplanar, because if these lines in a plane, then it is not possible draw a line which making 90 degrees both with both lines, first and second line. So its first plane is in opposite plane. So draw a perpendicular line. Suppose this is perpendicular line intersecting point P and intersecting line Q. Here 90 degree and also is 90 degree. So this line is called SD, shortest distance line between given two lines. In the first line is represented by first line and second line. In the first line, point 3 minus 3 8 3. So here consider a point. Suppose that A1 whose coordinates will be 3 8 3 8 3, and here taking second point on the second line whose coordinates is denoted by minus 3 minus 7 and 6. By symmetrical rules of lines, the point A on the line first and point A2 on the line second, whose coordinates are 3 8 3 minus 3 minus 7 and 6 from the given equation 3 8 3 and minus 3 minus 7 plus 6. So first calculate the value of capital P coordinates. Here suppose that point P is intersecting point of sorted distance and line first. If capital P R, capital P is intersecting point of line first and shortest distance line, shortest distance line, shortest distance line means SD line. Then the line first, and applying to rules of lines, you can find the intersecting point coordinates. So from equation first, x minus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 8 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 1 is equal to, suppose that is capital R1. Here R1 is the distance between these A and P, means R1, and R2 is distance between A and Q. Here you can show in the figure R2. So simplify to this ratios, and x is equal to coordinate P, x is equal to 3R1 plus 3, and y is equal to minus R1 plus 8, and z is equal to R1 plus 3. X is equal to 3R1 plus 3, y is equal to minus R1 plus 8, and z is equal to R1 plus 3. These is coordinates of first intersecting point of the shortest distance and line first. Similarly, the coordinates of capital Q, which is intersecting point of shortest distance SD and the second line. Similarly, coordinates write from equation second. X plus 3 by minus 3 is equal to y plus 7 by 2 is equal to z minus 6 by 4 is equal to R2. Here R2 is shown in the figure. So with help of this, the coordinates of point capital Q are x is equal to z minus 3 R2 minus 3 R2 minus 3 R2 minus 3, y is equal to 2 R2 minus 7, and z is equal to 4 R2 plus 6. These are coordinates of second intersecting point of SD and second line. Calculate the direction ratios. Then direction ratios of SD line PQ is equal to position of Q minus position of P. Position means coordinates of intersecting points P and Q. So putting these values here, coordinates of Q minus 3 R2 minus 3 R2 minus 3 R2 minus 3, first quadrant. Second is 2 R2 minus 7, 2 R2 minus 7, and third is 4 R2 plus 6 in bracket minus coordinates of point capital P, which are 3 R1 plus 3 R1 plus 3 R1 plus 3, and y component is minus R1 plus 8 at last z is R1 plus 3. So simplify to this, minus 3 R2 and minus 3 R1, minus 3 and minus 3 is equal to minus 6, 2 R2 minus 7, 2 R2 minus 2r2 minus plus r1 and minus 7 and minus 8, minus 15. At last third is 4r2 minus r1 and 6 minus 3 is equal to plus 3. These are direction ratios of intersecting point, means certain distance line SD. Minus 3r2 minus 3r1 minus 6, 2r2 plus r1 minus 15, 4r2 minus r1 plus 3. So in the figure, and by definition of shorter distance, line PQ is perpendicular on both given lines, first and second, applying to this rule, but SD is perpendicular to given first line. Therefore cos 90 is equal to, by rules of L1 L2 M1 M2 N1 N2 is equal to cos theta. Here theta is equal to 90 degree. So cos 90 is equal to 3 into minus 3r2 minus 3r1 minus 6, minus 1 into 2r2 plus r1 minus 15, at last 1 into 4r2 minus r1 plus 3. You know that cos 90 is equal to 0, so 0 is equal to minus 9 r2 and minus 9 r1 minus 18 minus 2r2 and minus r1 and plus 15, at last 4r2 minus r1 plus 3. Here in this equation, two unknowns r1 and r2, so collection of same time unknowns means r1 9r1 and 9 1 10 r1 10 and 11 r1 minus 11 r1 9 r2 minus 2 r2 11 r2 and plus 4 r2 means minus 7 r2 and minus 18 plus 15 and plus 3 is equal to 0. So here write minus taken outside from the bracket, write 11 r1 plus 7 r2 is equal to 0. Suppose that is equation third. So equation third is a relation between two unknowns r1 and r2. Similarly, taken an star relation means second relation with help of the SD is perpendicular to the second line. So and SD is also perpendicular to given second line. Therefore, the direction cosine of SD are minus 3r2 and direction cosine of second line is minus 3 to 4. So multiply minus 3, cos 90 is equal to minus 3 minus 3r2 minus 3r2 minus 3 r1 minus 6 and plus 2 in bracket 2r2 plus r1 minus 15, at last 4 plus 4 times in bracket 4r2 minus r1 plus 3. Simplify to this is equal to minus and plus 9r2 plus 9r1 plus 18 and plus 4r2 plus 2R1 minus 30 and plus 16R2 and minus 4R1 plus 12 is equal to 9R2 here, 9R1 and 2R1, 11R1 and 16R and minus 4R1. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7, 7R1 and 9R2, 4R2, 13R2, 13 and 16R2. So 13 plus 16 and 9, 29 R2 is equal to 0, is represented by fourth equation. By equations third and fourth, the R1 and R2 value you can calculate. After this, the value of R1 and R2 is equal to 0. So putting the value of R1 and R2, the coordinates of P, then coordinates of P, putting the value of R1 is equal to 0 is 3, 8 and 3. So 3, 8 and 3. Similarly, the value of R2 in the Q coordinates, the coordinates of Q are minus 3, minus 7 and 6, minus 3, minus 7 and 6. These are coordinates of intersecting point capital P and capital Q here asked in the question, points coordinate. So points coordinates is clear that, and find the shortest distance SD between these lines, means calculate the distance between these 2 points P and Q. It's called shortest distance. Shortest distance is a length between given 2 lines, first and second. Okay. So applying the distance formula for point P and Q, you can calculate the distance between P and Q, which is called shortest distance between 2 given lines. And you know that if given coordinates of 2 points, suppose that point P and Q, you can calculate the value of a line which passing to these 2 points P and Q by applying the formula x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 in symmetrical form. So here calculate the line equation and distance between P and Q, and after that is complete solution of the question second.